Heart disease claims millions, but a simple dietary change could save lives. A groundbreaking study from Loma Linda University health researchers reveals a powerful weapon in the fight against cardiovascular disease: nuts. Their findings, published in the Journal of Nutrition, show that incorporating tree nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews into your diet significantly reduces the risk of dying from heart disease. We're talking a 17 to 27% lower risk for those who regularly enjoy these crunchy treats. But here's where it gets controversial. While we've long known nuts are healthy, past advice often lumped them with high-fat foods to avoid. This study, led by Montri Soprono, director of the Center for Dental Research at Loma Linda University School of Dentistry, highlights the need to rethink our relationship with dietary fat. Soprono explains, heart disease remains a leading killer globally, and while medications exist, prevention through diet is key. Our research, drawing on data from over 80,000 Seventh-day Adventists, a generally health-conscious group, clearly shows the protective effects of tree nuts. And this is the part most people miss. The study specifically focused on tree nuts, excluding peanuts, technically legumes, to provide a clearer picture of their benefits. This meticulous approach strengthens the evidence that nuts are heart-healthy heroes. The study's history is fascinating. In the 80s and 90s, nuts were often demonized due to their fat content. It wasn't until Gary Fraser's landmark 1992 study, also part of the Adventist Health Study 2, that nuts were redeemed. Fraser's work sparked a wave of research confirming their cardiovascular benefits. So, what makes nuts so special? They're packed with plant sterols, magnesium, fiber, and vitamins, all working together to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, key factors in heart disease. Here's the good news: you don't need to go overboard. Soprono recommends starting with a few small handfuls a few times a week. Add them to salads, oatmeal, yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. Opt for minimally processed, unsalted, raw nuts for maximum benefit. The study even explored substituting nuts for less heart-healthy foods like red meat and processed meats. The results were striking: a 35 to 44% drop in cardiovascular disease risk. While more research is needed, this suggests that small dietary shifts towards plant-based options, like incorporating more nuts, can have a significant impact on heart health. Food for thought: are we ready to fully embrace nuts as a heart-healthy staple? Should dietary guidelines be updated to reflect their proven benefits? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.